Hello friends, welcome to my review YouTube channel, Review with SAMESH, and welcome to my Build My Bundle Stop PDF Stations First Professional from Bundle Delivery Review. So friends, what is it is bundle? Build My Bundle from Michelle Allen, creator of the Promptia prompt management systems, convert raw prompt collections into searchable John bundle that customers can actually use. The problems in solve: customers buy from bundle, open PDFs or a spreadsheet and cannot find what they need. They scroll, search documents, text and give up, frustrated, even excellent from loss value when customers cannot find them. Build My Bundle transform PDFs into searchable, organized digital libraries that import into modern form management tools with one click. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video's descriptions.